application exercise 9F and topic simple interest. Simple interest. Simple interest means principal, rate, time, interest and amounts. These are the terms will be used in this exercise. Principal means the sum which is taken or given. The money which is given, taken or given. Okay. This is called principal. Okay. And rate means per 100 which is given extra. So it is the rate percent. Okay. In rate in percentage. Suppose 500 means 5 is given extra on 100. This is the interest. Okay. This is the percent rate. Time, you know, time is time. Time. Then interest. Interest means extra money. Means suppose that I am taking 100 rupees and I am giving 110 after 2 years. Then this 10 rupees, extra money which we are giving. Okay, that is interest. And amount means including interest, means principal plus interest. This is the amount. Okay, dear students. Now, formula to find the interest. Simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay. Principal into rate into time upon 100. And amount equal to principal plus simple interest. SI simple interest equal to amount minus principal. Okay. Question 1, first part, find the simple interest and amount when principal equal to rupees 600, rate equal to 8% per annum. Per annum is per year, yearly, and time equal to 2 years. So we have to find the simple interest and amount. Simple interest equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. Principal 600, rate 8, time 2 upon 100. 0, 0, 0, 0, cancel. 6 adds a 48, 2 the 96. 96 rupees. Amount equal to now. Amount equal to principal plus SI. Principal rupees 600 plus SI rupees 96. It equal to 696 rupees. This is the answer. Now, third part. Find the simple interest and amount when principal equal to rupees 850, rate equal to 1.5 per month. Per month, it means 1.5 into 12% per annum. Per annum. It is 18% per annum. And time equal to 1.3 years. Then SI equal to PRT upon 100. SI equal to PRT upon 100 into 850 into 18 into 1.3 upon 100. Multiply 850 into 18, 18 0 0, 18 5 90, 0 9 carry, 18 8 144 plus 9 153. Okay, Now by 30 1.3 you multiply, 13 0 0, 13 0 0, 13 9 39, carry 3, 13 5 65, 68, 6, 13 1 13, 6, 19, 1 2, 1 after 1 digit we will put decimal. This is 9 19 90.0 upon 100. Now decimal will go one more digit. Here we'll place decimal here. 120, 12 here we'll place decimal. This is the simple interest. Okay. Now we have to find amount. Amount equal to principal plus SI. Principal 850 plus 198.90. It is 0.9088 914 910. This is the amount. Okay, dear students. Question number 2. Find the simple interest on rupees 112.50 for 4 years at 1/2% per annum. So principal equal to rupees 112.50, time equal to 4 years, and rate equal to 1/2 years percent per annum. Percent means it is 3/2, 2 on the 2 plus 1, 3/2% per annum. Then SI equal to PRT upon 100, P 112.50 into 4 into 3/2 upon 100, 2s are 4. Okay. Now it is 100, SI equal to 112.50 into 6 upon 100, 0, 6 5 are 30, 6, 2 are 12, 15, 6 1 are 6, 7, 6 1 are 6. Here decimal we will put upon 100. Okay. Now again 6 7 5 1 2 1 2, here we will place the decimal. Then amount equal to principal plus SI. Principal 112.50 plus 6.75. Now 8 5 12 carry 1 7 to 9 1 1. This is the 119.25 rupees is the answer. Okay. At what rate will the principal rupees 2000, principal rupees 2000 yield an interest of rupees 112.50 in 15 months? We have to find the rate. SI equal to rupees 112.50 and T equal to 15 months. Dear student, will convert in year. Then 15/12, 3 5s are 3 4s are means 4 years. Then we have to find rate. When we'll find the rate, then rate equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. Same formula, dear students. SI equal to P RT upon 100. When we will find R, then cross multiplication. SI into 100 upon P into T. When we will find P, then SI into 100 upon R into T. Okay, same formula we will use. Then SI equal to 2000 into 100. Sorry, 112.50 into 100. P 2000 into T means 5/4, 0 0 0 0, 4 5s are 20. Then 112.50 upon 5 into 5. Remove decimal. Then 1 here 2 0 0 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 5 4s are 20, 5 5 are 25 equal to 45 upon 10. This is 4.5% per annum. Okay, rate is 4.5% per annum. This is the answer.